we will start our event with lighting of lamp. And to do this honor, may I please request Mr. Ritesh Kumar, our MD and CEO, and Mr. Mukesh Kumar, our Executive Director, to come on stage and do the honors. Thank you, sir. May I please request Mr. Ritesh Kumar to share a few words of wisdom with the young minds gathered here.
First and foremost, a hearty welcome to all of you. Thank you very much for coming. I mean, it's always a delight to be sharing a platform with the young kids. And thank you to the parents, to the school, to the teachers and the principal for making this. At a very, very general level, what is insurance all about? It's about collecting small sums of premiums from a lot of people to pay for those few large claims. It's really very, very important to spread the awareness and what better than sort of catch the kids young. We've actually been able to reach out to about 5,000 students across 24 or 25 schools in Mumbai. We are so enthused with the entire thing that what I can assure you for certain is that this is not the sort of the last that you've seen of this. The sheer fact that all of you are here, I mean, one thing is for sure that you already are winners. But having said that, out of any event, there has to be one winner. And may the best team win. Thank you.
I will now hand over the stage to our quiz master, Mr. Meghasham Shirodkar.
Thank you, Shefali. Hello and a very warm welcome to each and every one of you gathered here today. We are here for the grand finale of HDFC ERGO Insurance Awareness Award Junior 2016, the very first edition of a school quiz on insurance for students of class 8th and 9th. Without any further ado, I would like to call each and every team up on stage, represented by Anmol Choksi, Harsh Rao and Anushka Bothra, GD Somani Memorial School. Following them up on stage at table B, Shivansh Shah, Aryaman Pawar and Dhruv Bajaj from Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School in Thane. Following them on stage at table C, three young ladies from Villa Teresa High School, Riddhi Ghosh, Gauri Srivastava and Tanvi Dikshit. And last but certainly not the least, at table D, Rohan Srinivasan, Jitendra Chaudhary and Mridil Nambiar from SIES High School. Without any further ado, the grand finale for HDFC ERGO Insurance Awareness Award Junior. Here's how it will flow. 3 rounds, 32 questions. There are 3 rounds with 3 different sets of rules. Round 1, these are your rules. Question 1 for table A. This company, which started operations in 2010-11, was originally a wholly owned subsidiary of an Indian multinational conglomerate, which was founded by 2 Danish engineers taking refuge in India during World War II. Among the few players in its field in India, which operated without a foreign partner when they were operating, it is now a wholly owned subsidiary of one of India's largest general insurers. Which recently acquired financial company is this? This is a question for team A.
L&T.
Larsen & Toubro General Insurance Company will give team A 10 points. Give them a round of applause. The next question will be for team B. Singhania, your question on screen. In any standard insurance policy, there's always an introductory paragraph which sets out the essential elements of that contract. Amongst other things, that paragraph would state that the insured has paid the premium, that the insured has signed the proposal form, and these 2 things form the very basis of that insurance contract. What is this very important paragraph called? Team B.
Preamble clause.
The preamble clause will get them 10 points. Give them a round of applause. Villa Teresa, your question. In the Indian insurance sector, there is something called a solatium fund. All public and private insurers across India compulsorily contribute a portion of their gross written premium towards this fund every year. Which specific category of accident victims receive compensation from the solatium fund?
Subrogation.
Passing you, team D.
Handicapped.
Handicapped accident victims. No. Passing it to team A into the mic.
Accidental death.
Accidental death. No. There is injuries as well. Passing to Singhania at table B.
Accidents may be because of car accidents.
Not really. All right. We'll give out the answer. These are hit and run victims. And the next question for table D. I'm going to play you a video. Look at it carefully. I want the last name, the surname of the person you see on screen. A very, very athletic young lady. I just want her last name, SIS. Not guessing. Don't even want to take a guess. Passing? Okay. At table A.
Graph.
Graph, like Steffi Graf. No? Just her last name.
Van Patten.
Not Van Patten. The lady is at Villa Teresa. It's a lady on screen.
Biles.
Not Biles, as in Simone Biles. This is Yelena Produnova of the Produnova Vault fame on screen. Here it comes. Listen to this audio.
यार लास्ट मिनट सिंगापुर ट्रिप फाइनल किया जैसे तैसे पैकिंग किए आई होप कुछ भूला नहीं हूँ
कुछ और भूला चलेगा मेक श्योर के ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस नहीं भूला
अरे यार ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस ही भूल गया अब क्या करें सिक्योरिटी चेक इन भी हो चुका है
अभी भी देर नहीं हुई फटाफट मोबाइल निकाल और HDFC ERGO.com पे लॉग ऑन कर मिनटों में हो जाएगा
HDFC ERGO.com इंस्टेंट ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस लेने का नया मंत्र ना कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ना कोई झंझट HDFC ERGO जनरल इंश्योरेंस हर पल आपके साथ
All right, so that was a travel insurance ad which shows that even if you are right at the check-in desk, you can really avail of travel insurance, which is something all of us should do when we are traveling. In the travel insurance industry, if at all you have to have a claim reimbursed, then the provision of the sum insured and the settlement of a majority of travel insurance claims take place in which currency? SIS.
USD.
The US dollar will get you another 10. And let's have a look at the scores at the end of round 1. Give them a round of applause. Let's take a look at round 2. Fingers on your buzzers. Question 1 on screen now. In connection with third-party liability cover, perfect. Singhania at table B.
Motor accident claim tribunal.
Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, 20 points. Give them a round of applause. The buzzers are reset. MACT stands for Motor Accident Claims Tribunal. This was the team, incidentally, which got the 30 out of 30. They started a bit slow, but they seem to be picking up. Fingers on your buzzers. Question number 2, buzzer round on screen. I need perfect. What does STFI stand for?
Storm, tempest, flood and inundation.
20 points. Question 3. In 1956 and 1973, they're not letting me stop. The question is, in which year was the insurance market in India opened up for the private sector? Into your mics.
2000.
The year 2000. 20 points. Are ready? On your screens, question number 4. In the motor insurance industry, if a vehicle owner, Villa Teresa at table C, into the mic.
No claim bonus.
20 points. Give them a round of applause. 4 questions gone. Question number 5 on your screens. Here it comes. What is the full form of the entity whose logo is shown here?
Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India.
20 points. Give them a round of applause. Question number 6. These are just a few. There are many. I want to know, with respect to insurance, what is common to all of them?
They have insured something about their body part.
20 points. Give them a round of applause. Penultimate question, which is question number 7 on your screens now. So these are 3 pictures, 2 views of a very famous London structure, as well as an old bell that hangs inside the structure. What is the name of this building, or what is the name of the entity that is headquartered there? You're buzzing. Perfect. Into the mic. Which building?
Bupa Insurance Building.
The Bupa Insurance Building. That's a -10 to table B at Singhania. The Lloyd's Building. Fingers on your buzzers. Last question of your buzzer round. On your screens now. I need that blank filled by a famous brand name. Incidentally, this word or brand name is also the Latin word for therefore. How did it come about? Table A.
Ergo.
Ergo will get them a 20. Give them a round of applause. And we move on to round 3. But before that, a look at your scores. Oh, nice. It couldn't get closer for number 2 position. 40 points each. 110 points for GD Somani at table A. 20 questions gone. 12 more questions to go. The last 12, which will be in round 3. These are your rules. Fingers on your buzzers. Here's your question. Casualty and liability are 2 lesser known types of the oldest and most developed kind of insurance. The other 2 famous types of this insurance refer respectively to the on your buzzers. Listen carefully, read carefully and answer. There is a particular type or category of farmers for whom crop insurance coverage is compulsory in India. SIS plus 15, no negatives, go for it.
Farmers who have borrowed money.
Superb. Fingers on your buzzers. Next question. So the lady you see on screen is Margaret Burke White, the first ever American female war photojournalist and the first female photographer for Life magazine. She took this iconic photo of Gandhiji in 1946. What condition did Mahatma Gandhi set for this foreign lady before he agreed to let her take this photograph? GD Somani. 15 and no negatives, so I need you to answer now.
That she will spread it to the Indians as well as the Britishers.
Singhania at table B.
It should not be shown to the Britishers.
Villa Teresa at table C.
That she should join the army or some force.
Gandhi should be weaving at that time.
Beg your pardon?
He should be weaving on the charkha.
So she could take the photo only when he was spinning on the charkha. To take a photograph of me near the charkha, you have to learn to spin the charkha yourself. Nobody gets points. Fingers on your buzzers. That's the logo of an event. In October 2011, HDFC ERGO provided an event cancellation insurance policy. Yes, such things exist. That cover was worth $15 million for this prestigious event, the logo of which you see there. Which event? Table A. Buzz is closed. Table A.
Formula 1.
India's first ever Formula 1 race. Table B, Singhania, here's your question. Insurance losses due to this incident were more than 1.5 times greater in dollar terms than the previous largest disaster, which in fact was Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Which world famous incident am I talking about, Singhania?
Tsunami in Japan.
The tsunami in Japan and Thailand and all the other places. Nice guess, but no. GD Somani, your buzz.
Hurricane Katrina.
Hurricane Katrina, that's a -10 to table A. 9/11, which happened more than 15 years ago. Nobody gets points. We will take a look at the scores. Singhania at 47 at table B. SIS High School at table D at 55. 5 points ahead of them, the young girls from Villa Teresa at 60. It's 115 for GD Somani. Question for table D on screen. In a third-party insurance policy, if the third party is any random person who gets hit by the insured vehicle, then who or what are the first party and the second party? SIS.
The contents and the vehicle itself. And the person to which the vehicle belongs.
It will pass here. Go for it.
The insurer and the insured.
20 points. Give them a round of applause. The next question is for GD Somani at table 1. On your screens now. Long question, short answer. I just want a name that is given to this consumer-friendly provision. Yes, GD Somani, table A.
Trial period.
The trial period is what they call it. No, it will go to SIS.
Free look.
20 points. Give them a round of applause. Last 4 questions. Here it comes. In tennis, winning a game on your opponent's serve is called a break. So if you listen to tennis commentary, I break my opponent's serve and again in the same set, I break the serve twice. The commentator would say, okay, he has got a dash break. What 9-letter word from the world of financial services fills the blank?
Financial break.
A financial break. No, not the word I'm looking for. Singhania, go for it.
Insurance break.
An insurance break. Give them a round of applause. 3 questions to go. These are your scores. Anything can happen. Question for table A on your screens now. The Equitable Life Assurance Society, also called Equitable Life for short, was founded in 1762. It's a life insurance company in the UK. It's the world's oldest mutual insurer, which pioneered age-based premiums based on mortality rate, laying the framework for similar scientific insurance practice and development. Equitable Life was the first company ever to use a particular 7-letter word to describe its CEO in 1762. Yes, GD Somani. Table A.
Verdict.
Verdict. No, not really. Passing to Singhania into the mic.
Actuary.
Because he used to record acts, so they called him an actuary. 20 points. Give them a round of applause. 2 questions to go. If all the teams are ready, the penultimate question of this quiz on your screens now. How exactly does marine cargo insurance differ in duration from the others?
The other insurances are for a specific period of time in years, whereas marine cargo is from one warehouse to the other warehouse until the transportation is complete.
15 points to them. A very, very, very nice answer. On your screens, the last question of the grand finale of the HDFC ERGO Insurance Awareness Award Junior. On your screens now. Munich Re, that's their logo. Munich Re Group is one of the world's leading reinsurance companies with a very, very strong bond to HDFC ERGO as well. When they were the only insuring company who remained profitable, who remained solvent, who did not go bankrupt after paying out all the claims which arose from a huge natural disaster, which tragic 1906 event caused Munich Re to become famous worldwide.
Black Death of you.
The Black Death, as in the plague.
Yes.
No? Villa Teresa, your chance to pick up 15 points. Past question, so I have to rush you.
Nuclear explosion.
Nuclear explosion, not really, not the nuclear explosion, happened a little later. Singhania, yes.
Hurricane Katrina.
Hurricane Katrina again. No, Hurricane Katrina was much later. This is the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. Let's see which team is standing tall at the end of 32 questions, 3 rounds. Let's have a look at the score. C is Villa Teresa High School at 60 points. They are your 3rd runners up. Give them a round of applause. 2nd runners up at 83 points. They were leading at roughly the halfway stage. SIES High School. Give them a round of applause from Matunga. Coming in at 1st runner-up position, Singhania School, Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania High School, Thane, 107. Somewhere around question number 18 or 19, GD Somani started buzzing in both the buzzer sense as well as the answering sense, and they finish on top of the heap with 130. Give them a round of applause. Really, really well done. We couldn't have asked for a bigger turnout from you, all the parents and the teachers who've come here. So before we go on to the prize distribution ceremony, may I call upon the dignitaries who've come and joined us here today. We'll be handing out the prizes.
May I please invite Mr. Ritesh Kumar, our MD and CEO, on stage.
The Managing Director and CEO of HDFC ERGO General Insurance Company. One by one, we'll call the teams to come up on stage and collect their awards. Coming in first position in this grand finale, let's hear it for GD Somani High School. Please come up on stage. They get a trophy, certificates, gift cards worth 1.5 lakh rupees and a further 50,000 rupees for their school. First runners-up prize, 75,000 rupees, a trophy, certificates and 25,000 rupees for their school. The young boys from Srimati Sulochana Devi Singhania School, Thane. Second runners-up, the team at number 3 in the final tally, SIES High School, 30,000 rupees, a trophy, certificates for themselves, and a further 10,000 rupees for their school. And last but certainly not the least, let's hear it for Villa Teresa High School. Give them a round of applause. 15,000 rupees worth of gift cards, a trophy and certificates, and a further 5,000 rupees for their school. To take things forward, I would like to invite Mr. Mukesh Kumar, the Executive Director and part of the Executive Management Group, to please come up here and give the vote of thanks.
Friends, at the outset, let me say that this is one of the best ever campaign that I have witnessed myself. Although we as an organization keep on organizing so many programs of customer connect, we meet with corporate clients, so many other clients, but this has been the most meaningful connect with the society at large. And I'm really overwhelmed by the response that we have got. Because people say in the world the most boring businesses are insurance and banking. And this is one of them. If this has generated such a response, it's probably all due to the support that we got from all the schools and participants as the students, without whose support wouldn't have been possible. The kind of response we have got, I think this is one way where we can reach out to a large number of people and really create an impression about the insurance industry. Thank you very much, and thank you everybody.